This is a kids swimming pool. This is, I guess this is jacuzzi, I guess, I'm not sure. This is the main pool, okay, and the walk will be from above it, okay. These are amenities. This is the chair and all, so that people should sit. I'm not sure how it will be used right now. It's clean or not, so I'm not using it. Pool. So had 1.0.61, so it gives a view like this. So I'll show you the other amenities. Swimming pool area, I've taken a right turn towards A wing. So now these are the amenities of A wing. So they have installed light poles as well. So this is a walking footpath installed, so people can start walking as well. Proper walking area has been created. So now I am going to take a turn, and yes, I am coming. This view, this thing has been created very nicely, all the flowers and all. I'm just having a tour, so I can say gym view. So the gym area is there. Gym has got a good area, so I am not given entry into the gym right now, but as you can see, proper gym area has been created, and from there also, okay. We are going back towards a walking area now. We have continued with the walking. Beautiful flower. Let me zoom it. Sometimes I go for photography. Good flower. Again back to walking. So as you can see, all the poles and all have been installed. Light poles there. Actually they have not started yet, but these poles have been installed for light purpose. So anybody who wants to walk at night, they can easily walk. So actually there will be a lot of amenities here. But considering I actually don't know how many amenities, because multiple amenities are provided in this project. All the beautiful flowers have been planted. Look at the greenery, it looks so surreal. Oh my goodness. Camera which I'm using is Samsung S24. Now come towards the walking area. This is the kids play area. It has not, I guess they might be adding more things, but this is the current update. All for the kids they have installed. And this view of ours we are going to lose as new project is coming ahead, but it's fine, can't help it, okay. So this is the kids amenities area, okay. I'm stepping down right now. Let me see which amenities are there. So currently amenities are not done here. Like rooms have been created, they need to put amenities, billiards and all, many things are there ahead. So this is a walking route from the back side, okay. So footpath area again created. I am walking. I have continued walking, and now as you can see, proper view has been created. Here also rooms are created, but none of amenities are there. Here I guess this is a billiards amenity, okay. I won't be able to show from here, but I guess it's another room. Let me check. I guess this is a banquet hall, I guess. This area, I'm not sure, because ahead is the billiards amenities and all. Okay, so this is the walking footpath area. ACs they have installed in all the amenities area, and we can proceed further. We can continue walking, and after doing this walk, let me see where it ends. I guess it ends here. We won't be able to walk. So see, it ends. Still, I'll try to see where it goes. Actually, this path. Let us see. Okay, it is here. Okay, it's done. Mostly we are again at the entrance. Bye. We have entered in this amenity. So this is the banquet hall. Okay, I guess the banquet hall is quite huge. So I am not sure. Maybe this can be banquet hall or both are banquet halls only. I'm not sure. But they have that amenities. If anybody wants to have a party or something, they can make use of the banquet, which are available in society. So that is another source of income, right, for the society. Okay, I'm going back. So while I'm going back also, I'll try to record some amenities if I can. Oh, let me see. Okay, so we are going ahead. Record amenities in sense like can see how progress has happened. This is a banquet area only. I guess this they are creating, like they didn't prepare it here. Here again we are coming back to kids play area. I'm just trying to find a way which I can go out. Okay, I can't load. So honestly, let us continue with this. There is no way to go out. It's so weird. I need to take the whole route to come back. That's such a mess. But fine. I need to do that because, you know, the price I need to pay for buying. Okay, I didn't buy. It's my parents' flat. But honestly, okay, this is the only thing I like more than the amenities. Greenery. It's very beautiful. I hope this colony will manage. So again we have come to gym area. So this is the gym area which we'll find out, which we will see. And now we are continuing further. Okay, this is a gym area. Gym area is quite huge. There are many amenities to cater 500 plus people, because there are many families here. Like a total 3 towers exist, and you know, for each person, even per family member also does gym, then he or she should adjust it accordingly. Okay, the view of gym I can show right now. The gym area is also quite huge. So for this, a big thumbs up. I love gym, especially not a major gym also would say treads, cardio and all. I can't live without it. It's a very good form of exercise. Weightlifting, I'm not a pro, but I need to do that. Okay, coming back to video, we are again back to the swimming pool area. So this is a podium facing, and that other amenities are back facing. So this is again gym only area we can see. Okay, this water. Let me go ahead. Whoever is doing this thing. So they are throwing the water from the swimming pool into this. I don't know what is the thing. Oh my god. Everywhere it's water here. Maybe there are many people are watching the plants and the water is coming from up. These are the amenities. This is the gym from both sides you can access. Okay. So from here you can see like it's a very huge area for gym they have given. Big thumbs up for this. And now we are going further. So here also they are doing. Yeah, I told you this is not ready yet. And now it's locked. That's a great thing. So all the amenities are not here. Mostly we have covered everything. Now what we have to do is we need to go back to the reality. From P2 I will be changing everything. So it's done. Bye. I hope you like this video. So bye everybody.